orange cat Benny and his friend green parrot Coco are trying to solve the mystery of the missing cookies. One day, Benny and Coco were hanging out in the kitchen when they saw a jar of cookies on the counter. The only problem was it was empty. How did the cookies disappear? Benny and Coco decided to follow the crumbs and see where they led. They went through the living room, under the TV, and behind the couch. But the trail of crumbs stopped there. Just then, Benny noticed something strange. A small hole had been chewed through the side of the jar. It was the perfect size for a mouse to crawl through. At that moment, a little mouse ran across the floor, holding a cookie in its mouth. He had a tiny bit of frosting on his nose and a crumb on his cheek. Benny and Coco knew they had found the culprit, but how could they get him to confess? Then Coco had an idea. She pretended to be a mouse and started squeaking. The little mouse jumped in front of her and squeaked back. That's when Coco lunged and grabbed him. She had a small bite of the cookie in her beak. The end.